What's up guys, here again, Eric the Mate's Garage. We're here with Dante once again. Right now we're heading to a car show and it's called Drip Season. Before we start off the video, I'm gonna let you guys know that I was gonna announce this day who won the brake giveaway. The gentleman's name is, drumroll, .M3. This guy right here, if you can see his phone. Oh, never mind. Oh my god, this guy's just fucking all on ass. Congrats to .M3. He won the Hawk brake pads. Congrats. What? Got a Jeep here? It makes cat noises on. And we arrived to the show, the car show. Yeah, we're gonna check out some cars. Whoa, Dante! Wow, wow! Look at you, Dante. Look at it. Got a humongous wing in the back. This fucking GTR Skyline has straight pipe to the max. Yeah, we got supercar suspect Evil. Final build with that baby turbo somewhere in there. Damn, a GTR just pulled up with them humongous triple weights. I see those Toyo triple weights right there. Look at this masterpiece. America! Yeah! American now, buddy. Man, this is a nice Camaro right here. I don't know what kind of engine it has. We got some C6s, some carbon fiber fender flares right here. Camaro here too. We got some bird shit here. Very common, you find in these cars. Oh my god. An M3 E46. Not wrenching rims, but it's still beautiful. It's an SMG, yes, it's an SMG. Oh man, it came all the way from Washington too. I can see he has an aftermarket exhaust. What? A McLaren? Check out this McLaren, guys. Wow. Sick ass McLaren. Oh, it's better than the McLaren. Oh! F-150. Alright guys, I haven't been posting lately because, I don't know, it's been weird over here in California. It's been raining like every single weekend for some weird reason. I don't know why, but usually it doesn't rain. It usually just rains one day, and that was like basically the whole year, but it's been raining a lot this past couple of days, especially the weekends. But either that, I'm gonna be on that grind again, posting more videos consistently. I have an update on that E30. I finally found a mechanic to fix my E30, so I'm gonna take it on Monday so he could bring me a new transmission because I need to get rid of that car. It's just been sitting there just months. Probably the last time I drove it was probably like December, and I need to get rid of it so I could be able to get my new car. Let me know if you guys want it too. Let me know if you guys want it, because I don't want it no more. I need to get rid of that car. Regarding that, we got a beautiful R32 4-door GTS right here. Oof. Clean. Absolutely clean GTS over here. It'd be nice to own one of these. We got a M4 here. Dude, this thing's a 6-speed.
Swear.
I swear to God. It's a 6-speed. This is rare, dude. I never seen an M4 with a 6-speed before.
That's sick.
That's sick. Oh my god. There's a penny right there. You see it? I want it. No. What? I missed this car. I didn't get to see this. This is an NSX. Right-hand drive? Nope, not right-hand drive. It's just... Man, that's pretty clean. With air suspension, I can see. I got the little module right there. These rims, you can see my reflection in these. Oh my god. Alright guys, we're in here inside K1 Speed. We're here about see who's the biggest and the biggest dick right here. We'll see who's gonna have the biggest dick right here now. Let's start. He's about to go in the whole machine. Hey, that's my credit score, man. Oh, damn, you almost broke the machine.
Hey, if Cuz beat me, I'm knocking him out right now.
He beat you! Oh! He beat you!
Let's go!
Oh. Fucking hockey now. Let's go. Oh! That's a goal, mate. No, that's a goal. That went in. No. Oh, another one, man. Woo! You're taking L's. Oh, let's go. Come back here. Hey, come back. Come back. Hey. Got a SS Nova. Oh, man. I'll kill for one of these. Oh, man, this Nova is sexy. Damn, look at this GTR. With the humongous wing in the back.
About the size of you. So I would not stand this close when it goes on, okay?
Hey, size doesn't matter, huh?
Exactly.
Hey,
it's all about the sound, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, hit that micro machine once. Let's hear it.
Shut it down or what?
So we're there now. Blow the candles. Alright guys, so that's it. Going back home, calling it a day. Dante said it was pretty good, he liked it. I liked it too, so pretty good. Alright guys, thank you for watching Eric the Mate's Garage, and catch you in the next one.
Weezy out of here. Weezy out of here.
Run that back turbo.